Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to add multiple different sounds on TikTok. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. So first, go and screen capture your desired second music for your TikTok video. So me, I'm gonna go to YouTube and search for Die For You by The Weeknd. So after I choose the lyrics part I want, let's go minimize and go open your TikTok account. Now, tap on the plus icon to upload. And here, I'm gonna choose a video that I want to use in my TikTok. Now, when you are now here at this setup, go tap to add sound at the top of your screen. So now, first choose a sound under TikTok. So let me choose this one. Now, we want to make a second sound. So by doing that, click on adjust clips here at the side. So you will be seeing a editing setup of your TikTok. Just click on overlay and look for your screen recorded music earlier. Just drag the clips to your desired music only, so that's it. It's pretty quick and simple. That's how we will add a multiple sounds on TikTok. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.